Right, this is my investment for this year. 350 quid's worth of beekeeping equipment from Thorns. I got all this in the sale, so we'll have a look what we've got. Now this came from the Ukraine. It's about 30 something quid. It is a Varroa zapper. You put your crystals or your liquid there, put it into the hive and zap the beetles. The plug is a little bit on the primitive side. It's got 12 volts written on there, so we'll see how this works. Never done it before, so there's first time for everything. Right, the only thing we can do now is open the boxes and see what we've got. I don't get paid by them, by the way, so here we go. Right, this is the first box, and it looks like a hive roof. Okay, so there's the hive roof, and there's all your little bits inside, even the nails. I'd say the reason why this is a second is because of these knots right at the top there. And a little bit of roughness there, and a knot just there. This is another side, it would be the knot there. There's no sort of splits in the wood, so that's okay. There are another knot right at the corner and just on the top edge. Right, this is the second box, and this looks like supers. There's obviously a little bit of tear in that piece of wood, and your supers come all flat packed like so, and there we are. All red cedar. There's obviously a few knots in it. If you was buying a first, you wouldn't expect to see any of the knots in it that you probably would do, like that one there. But most of them look fairly good. This year they've been a little bit more sensible on dispatching and that, and use small boxes. The year before the boxes were twice as size and twice as heavy, but this year, can't get this one back in, they've been quite reasonable putting small boxes. And there is some bottom bars for frames there. I think I ordered 10 super boxes, a couple of brood chambers, there's 4 roofs, and I think 100 frames. There might be also 50 brood frames as well. Right, this looks like the box with all the frames in. So I think we're going to be a little bit on the busy side here. And those are brood frames, Hoffman's. And these are all my one super frames. And some more bottom bars, 50, so that would be the brood chamber. Right, last box, brood boxes. The rest of the 10 supers. So looks like I ordered 2 brood boxes And those are the other 4 of my supers. Let's have a look. Did I get 3? Ah, look at that, all the nails as well, and the slide bars at the top. Excellent. Yep, looks like it's all out. This is a brood chamber that I made up last year. You probably can see the knot that's in it there. But these are my old super boxes. They've had about 30 years now, so they'll probably be... and there's a roof from last year that I made up. That's a deep roof. 6 inches rather than the standard 4-inch roof.